Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do let us know. Do like the channel. Do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you're notified as and when I bring videos. So let's go into the cards. Today, before I start the cards, I feel all of you who are seeing the video today, have a bath in the morning with a little bit of milk added to your water, and then followed by your usual bath you can have. And also in the morning, or in the afternoon or in the evening, whenever you're free, just take some rock salt and anti-clockwise from your body and that of your family members separately, do 9 times, and then discard that salt in your bathroom. I felt I should say that, so I'm saying. Now let's see what are the cards saying today. Foundation and achievement. So that's a beautiful card saying that you're going to lay foundations today. Maybe some a new project may come your way. Maybe you will start something new, or some new opportunity might even come your way, which is more like a foundation for your future, and for you to get more achievements in your life. And I feel this foundation is more like, for some, if you're looking at a particular college seat, or if you're looking at a particular exam to clear, then maybe this is also a card saying that you are going to clear the exam, and the foundation has started for your future. The other card, see, somewhere I felt that was nice, so it says fulfillment of wishes. So today, what I see from these cards are, it's a day of fulfillment. Maybe that is the reason morning I felt you should have a bath with a little bit of milk, so that your day goes good, and you're able to achieve, or all your desires get fulfilled, and you're happy. Because overall, even if you see the card here, it's like a treasure opening, so something good is only coming. Both the cards are only indicating something good coming, something beautiful happening in your life, and there's something good is going to be definitely positive and definitely good today. I feel, because it's a rainbow color which has come in the first card, you can also choose whichever color you want to wear, else go by the color golden yellow, because so that it works on your solar plexus, and you are emotionally happy in such a way that you attract all the good things in life. Also in the evening, if possible, feed a stray animal, or feed someone who's poor, who's in need of money, so that the divine will bless you abundantly, and the divine will give you multifolds. Have a beautiful and an abundance day today. Thank you.